Welcome. In this video I will show you how to disable power saving mode on LG Gram laptop. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. In Settings, select System on the sidebar and go to Power and Battery menu. In this menu, you have to open the Energy Saver menu, and if you want to disable Energy Saver manually, switch this toggle to the left. If you want to fully disable it, expand this list and select Never. And this way, the Energy Saver will never be turned on your computer. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.